Hello and welcome. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. As you can see, front side and back side almost are the same. Let's get started. We're going to start by make a slip knot, and then we make chain. It depends the size you need. You can make more chains at the end. If you made extra, we can cut it. So for this I made maybe 45, but what we have to do, we are going to make one single crochet in the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in the 8th chain, and the pattern should look like that. Now it's time to make a pop stitch like that. So I'm going to make in the same chain, I'm going to start to make pop stitch 1 2 3 4 5. Now I try to take this one, single crochet, and then 1 chain. I'm going to make another pop stitch on the top of this chain here 5 times, again, and 1 chain. Now we skip 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5. In the 6th chain I'm going to make 1 single crochet, and the pattern should look like that. For separation we make 6 chain. Again I'm going to skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5. In the 6th chain make another single crochet. We repeat the pattern like that by making 1 pop stitch here 5 times, 2 3 4 and 5, one 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the 6th chain I'm going to make 1. Let's make one more time. then 1 2 3 4 5 6 I make my single crochet, and the pattern should look like that. We're going to stop here. The extra chain, I'm going to cut it like this. Now we make 7 chain, and we return the work. Start by making 1 single crochet between these 2 pop stitch, and then we repeat the pattern by make pop stitch here, one more at the top, 2 3 4 and 5. Now we are going to make 1 single crochet here, and again 6 chain, and we repeat the pattern like that by making single crochet and 2 pop stitch. Here at the end of the row we are going to make 1 single crochet, and the pattern for row 2 should look like that. We are going to make again 7 chain and return the work, and then we repeat the pattern by start here again, make pop stitch, 1 single crochet, 6 chain, and we repeat the pattern until you reach your desired length. But what you have to do for the last row, I'm going to show you what to do. When it comes to the last row, after you make 7 chain, we are going to make 1 single crochet here, then chain 6, 1 single crochet here, again chain, 1 single crochet on the top of this one, one more. And the last one. And then cut your yarn. This is the last row of the pattern. If you look at here, at the beginning you have like this, and also at the end you are going to have it the same pattern. Yeah, that's it. If you can see, as I told you, front side and back side almost are the same. This is really ideal for scarf, for cardigans, for vest, and whatever you wish. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you liked the video, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.